Good day, traders. This is Rich with some action on the markets on Monday, May 11th, 2020. Currently looking at NVAX, which was probably the stock of the day. I did not trade it, unfortunately. I did trade it, but I got out and missed the big run. Actually missed this run here, which it looks a little tight because the chart is tight. This is after hours right now. That's kind of lighter green. And now some good news. We're up 48%. I'm looking to see if it busts through the 29 again. But let's go over what I did today. First of all, Thursday and Friday. Thursday was a very bad day. I was having network issues and all kinds of stuff, and I traded poorly and I lost money. And then Friday I was up, and then I ended up down. Just not a great day. Or Thursday and Friday. Today was much better. I got back to the swing of things, and actually all weekend I had an indicator created for me which will help me find pullbacks and prices pulling back after it's made a nice move up. So that's a nice little indicator that was created for me in a course of about 24 hours. The guy was quick. It didn't cost me a ton of money, and it will help me find setups later in the day, or actually later in the morning, and I can decide whether I want to trade or not. And actually, I'm going to have him create another setup, another indicator that will find price points like this 29, and see if I can get some nice signals for trade setups. So I have to watch every single chart. I mean, I only have 2 screens. I don't plan on having like 10 screens to look at all these charts, and this will kind of help. If I add signals to the radar screen and TradeStation, I can monitor hundreds and hundreds of symbols without having a chart up. So it won't really tax the computer, and it will also allow me to find setup. So a couple things. I fixed my internet. My router was, I think, locked into a Canadian setup, which for some reason did not do well with Spectrum, the internet provider, and I went factory reset on my router, and now I'm getting 480 down and 20 up on my PC, and I'm doing pretty well Wi-Fi as well. It's been glitchy for years in that sense, but now it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty excited about it, and my platform did not crash today. I did not have any hiccups, knock on wood. And hopefully it continues that way. So let's just go over a couple trades as this thing is kind of meandering here. Beyond, these are 5-minute candles. Was the break of this particular candle. Took it for a little bit, but I missed this huge move up. And then I gave you another move up. It's a constant event for me to miss big moves or continuation moves. I get out way too soon, and it just frustrates me after I do that. I looked at like 10 pullback plays today, and the one I traded failed miserably. It was this one. It just kind of shot through. Codex. It was unfortunate because it did work out if I didn't get in yet, and it kind of climbed back up. But there's so many good ones that set up, and I didn't take them because I'm just testing out this indicator. And this is the one I took because I like Codex, so I decided to take it. That was a bad idea. Gotta stick to my guns. And the biggest move of the day that I missed was on Lululemon. Break of the 239 level here on this candle. And look at this, all the way up to 246. Without even an ounce of pain, just continued up, rising up, and I missed that whole trade. Now I look at a bigger chart on my other screen. These are kind of tight, so I can see everything at once. So this is a 5-minute, this is a 2-minute, this is a daily. What else? Roku kind of was doing its thing. It was coming out from the bottom. It was where it opened. It kind of didn't gap up a little bit. Kind of broke down a little bit. It started open on the downside and kept climbing. So I took the break of this level here over here, and I got a nice trade out of that. Turned around and did it a few more times. Got chopped out a couple times up here. Just a small winner. No big deal. Zoom, I did a couple trades on the break of this level here over on this, no, break at this level over here, which was a nice trade. And I took Tesla through 816 here, and it climbed up. You can see. So those were my major trades. I did trade AMC for a second. That was terrible. That was just didn't do anything. CAH had a potential trade here, but that didn't work out. And that's pretty much it. So I ended up with about $140 today on the green side, so that's good. Let's go back to NVAX, see if that is setting up. It's getting up there. Let's see if I can trade this. You see all the action at 30 here. 30 seems like a really tough price point. I'm probably going to have to pause it to see if it sets up, or I'm just not going to trade. I'm only trading 10 shares just to see if I can get in this thing after hours. It's no big deal. It has potential to go, though. I think it might go, actually. But we'll watch it and get tight. It's got to count down. So there's 61,000 shares here. Oh, counting down pretty good there.
Order filled.
Might have jumped it a little too quick. All right. Oops.
Order filled.
All right. Now, made $3. Not bad. You guys get to see that live. That would have worked out if I took another set of bigger share size. I was a little slow on my typing and everything. I usually use the matrix, but look at this thing. It's going at 30.40 now, and it's got potential to get up even higher, 30.50. So this is what I do. I get out so quick, and I miss out on the particular trade. So that was a 55 cent, 60 cent move right now, in a matter of 2 minutes, not even. Obviously there's risk in there, but that was setting up perfectly, and that's what I got to get to, so I'm not worried about it. But I'm glad I took that trade for 10 shares, got in, got out, move on. All right, so that pretty much sums up the day. You guys have a good one. This is Rich with some price action. I'm glad you guys caught a live trade after hours, actually. It's usually when I do these videos, so that's why you got after hours. And we'll be back tomorrow, hopefully. I am trying to do videos every day and write-ups every day. It's just getting more difficult with time and everything, so I'll keep you posted. Have a good one.